Hi guys. All right, we're gonna do a Dollar General haul, but first I have to show you. Thunderstorm going on, and it's just making me feel really cozy. So I have to make coffee before we dive into this haul. Coffee. Look how cute this mug is. This is in my Etsy shop. I created several of them, so vintagey and spring, and I'm so in love. So cheers. Yeah, it's just I have to have a sip or I don't even know, blackout. All right, so I feel like it's been a while, I went to Dollar General and I really wanted to like do a whole Dollar General versus Dollar Tree in terms of junk journaling supplies, and I'm hoping I'm gonna do that soon. But on this trip to Dollar General, I don't know, comment, let me know. Let's see what Dollar Generals are like at each of y'all stores, because I experienced this also in Texas. Like, I honestly stopped going to my Dollar General because it was a waste of time for me. It wasn't close to me, and when I would go, it would just kind of have nothing. And things would be in boxes, not unpacked. Yeah, there was just really nothing. So for me, I feel like I don't have the same experience when I go to Dollar Tree. When I go to Dollar Tree, 9 out of 10 times, I'm gonna hit a jackpot. When I go to Dollar General, it's like 1 out of 10. I actually saw these straight away when I walked in, and I thought they were so cute. Little Debbie is putting out the cakes for Mother's Day. Is the camera not focusing? There we go. The packaging is super cute. If you've been with me, then you know that I was on the hunt for the ones for Christmas time. They had Santa, he looked very vintage, and I was going to use the box to cut out and like junk journal with. I thought the same thing, honestly, with this. Like, I just thought the packaging was so cute. Yeah, I don't know what my camera is trying to focus on, but there we go. So this is the lemon. Mother's Day lemon cakes. Looks so good. I'm definitely gonna eat one of those. And then I found the strawberry. And the strawberry packaging is just so freaking darling to me. Like, I love it. I also got a couple of cleaning supplies. I needed this. Ooh, it's leaking. That is not good. Okay, so I needed the Power Dawn. I was out, and because I was there, I bought it out of convenience. So this was $4.50. I think that's about what it is at Walmart, right? I don't even know. Also, I decided to get the Pet Fresh like carpet, just to like sprinkle on the carpets in the rooms and then on the rugs, and just kind of like do some of that. I feel like I really don't do that. I used to do it a lot back with Loxy. I was always doing like the baking soda. I don't know, I feel like, have I gotten lazy? I just vacuum these days. I don't even like put anything down. So I'm trying to like, you know, get into a more of a spring cleaning frame of mind. All right, so in this bag, I was actually very surprised to find this there, but this is an ice mold. And this creates these round spheres, which is so cool. One of my guilty pleasures is honestly watching videos on like TikTok or YouTube or Instagram, wherever, where people like restock their freezers with their ice trays, and they'll put like lemons, and some of them will just be ice, and some of them will have strawberries or cucumbers, and I could watch that all day. Anyways, I found the sphere one. I thought that was really cool, so I decided to get it. I also got these non-scratch scouring pads. These are $1. So I just feel like I needed some of these for some of my pots and pans because the sponges I get from Dollar Tree aren't quite like getting there. So I got that. Then I got some napkins. Now I get these napkins for junk journaling. You can actually use these to like Mod Podge over things. And then I got the red stripes because I'm going to be doing like a circus theme. I've sold that kit on my Etsy shop, which by the way, I decided out of nowhere I would do one more round of the circus kit. So in case you want it, this is the final round of that, and I'm moving into my mermaid kits, and then other exciting things are going to come to my Etsy shop. But anyway, so I thought these would be really cute for that. I think they were $1. You know me, I'm gonna look at the cards. So this was the one that I found. Whenever I shop the cards, I always look at it to see, you know, do I like the words? Can I work around the words? Can I cut it off without messing up the image? And this one will be really easy. Like it says a cheery hello. That's actually really cute. Like I wouldn't even have to get rid of this part. I really liked the colors of this, and it's why I was so drawn to it. Because I'm currently in my spring junk journal and I just wanted it to be like very colorful. So I got that. Then I picked up some lemon cookies. I don't know what it was about these. I just saw them and they looked so good. Sandwich cream cookies. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this on camera. I'll let you guys know what I think. Let's see, it kind of has that like Oreo look to it. I feel like Keith Lee. They'll show you right on. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna give this a solid 7.5 out of 10. And it's honestly ranking that high because I feel like while it's not overly packed with flavor, there's still enough of that lemon where I feel like I'll keep reaching for another one and another one and another one. There's that. If you don't know who Keith Lee is, you probably didn't understand that at all. But he's a guy on TikTok, he reviews food, and he's amazing. And he's hilarious to me. So, all right. Then I picked up these stir straws. I was like, what? Those are so cute. They look like real plastic straws, but they're just for stirring. So I could have used those for my coffee. So I got those. They were $1. Then I picked up this Mamba candy, which shook me because let me tell you a story, okay? Yeah, I gotta put the bag up to tell this story. I gotta grab my coffee too. Picture it, we'll go with 1993, okay? I was walking to 7-Eleven. We did that. Can you imagine doing that with our kids today? Just letting them leave the house without a phone? We just left the house. There was no checking in. They just see you later, and like coming home when the street lights came on. Anyways, I digress. I would walk to the 7-Eleven and I would buy Mambas because they were my favorite childhood candy. And until this day, like, I love them. But I didn't know they made these magic sticks. Like, what is that? The fact that Mamba never really changed their original candy ever. Like, even the packaging I feel like is the same. Okay, this is interesting. Magic changing flavors. Wait. 2 flavors in one. Pineapple changes to orange. I feel like I'm at Willy Wonka's factory. Okay, I have to try this one. So cherry turns into apple, pineapple turns into orange, mango turns into strawberry, and watermelon turns into raspberry. But this cherry turning into apple, we'll see about that. We'll see about that. I'll let you know. Wait. What the hell? All right, so where were we? Because that shook me to my core. All right, then I found what I think is pretty exciting for junk journaling. I don't know quite yet how I feel about the price that I paid for it. It was $2. I guess I was kind of like hoping for $1, maybe $1.50, but honestly, like $2 isn't bad. It's just basically like a little DIY banner, but it's kind of like a cardstock feel to it, and I love the size of it because it's nice and small, and I can work with that from a junk journaling perspective. Then I found this color, so like the blue version of it, which is so cute. And then I also found it in more of like a pendant style in these like grays. So just like polka dots and gingham and like little floral patterns. So there's that. And the very last item, I got a book. I don't know why, but I feel like now it's a thing for me. I always have to get a book every time I go to Dollar General. I have always gotten romance novels, and this time I was in the mood for something with murder in it. I don't know why. This is Carpe Diem. The cover with the cat is just, I don't know, it's hilarious to me. You can't sweep murder under the rug. You know, you really can't. So, now that Tally Graver's cleaning business is starting to shine, she's ready to go squeegee against Audra McNeil for a major contract at the Astercrom mansion. Tally's not afraid of the little friendly competition from the new cleaner in town. In fact, Tally likes Audra, though she wonders how her glamorous rival manages to clean the house and maintain her fancy manicure. Tally has her rubber gloves full. I'm falling asleep already. Oh, Audra dies. Yeah, she finds a well-polished hand poking out of a rolled-up carpet, rendering her competition dead. Though it lands Tally the big job. Well, there's that. There's nothing tidy about Audra's death. So between polishing and scrubbing, Tally's determined to find the killer. Hopefully the police chief doesn't mind her cluttering up his investigation with the filthy dealings she discovers. Lots of play on words here, you know, with the cleaning. Turns out Audra was not as squeaky clean as she appeared. That's usually the case. Okay, we'll give it a go. So there's that. Now let's just get into a couple of things from Family Dollar. Here's the bag. I'm actually very excited about what I got from there. First thing, just straight out, I'll show you guys that I got little air fresheners. So we've got this Sea Breeze or Bayside Breeze, and then this is Rain Shine. So I'm going to use these. I'm going to take them carefully out of this packaging. Okay, so I just want to show you guys what I'm going to do here. Okay, so I'm going to cut very carefully at the top, pull the little tree out, and then tuck it in my car. But I'm going to keep this little packaging because this image is on the plastic. It's not on the actual tree. And I think that would be cute to keep for junk journaling perspective. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do the same thing with the little rain boots. I thought that was really cute. Then, because it was like stormy and raining out while I was shopping, I grabbed this big bag of M&Ms, peanut. There's just something about curling up on the couch and just like mindlessly eating and snacking, and I love peanut M&Ms for that event. So there's that. And you heard the clanking, so you know it's mugs. Like, here we go. This mug, while it looks very plain, very simple, is taking me out. Okay, what did I even pay for this mug? $3.30 freaking cents. This mug is absolutely stunning. I'm gonna insert some pictures I got, or video clips. They have this in gray, they have it in pink. I'm still trying to figure out if I need to go back and get like more of the blue. But this is just, it's giving me like Williams Sonoma or Pottery Barn. It has no business being $3.30. Yet here it is. It is the most well-made mug. Like, it's not cheap feeling in the slightest. And I'm obsessed. So I got that. Then I found this little blue elephant, and you already know I wasn't gonna walk away from it. Ever since I fell in love with that little blue elephant sticker from Dollar Tree, it's just like a thing for me. And now that I found this, also $3.30, I'll insert another clip here for you guys. They also have a panda, and I think they had a teddy bear. And actually, I really wanted the teddy bear as well. So I don't know if I'm gonna go back and get that one, but like, how absolutely precious is this? Plus, like, I feel like if I get the teddy bear, when my niece and nephew come over, you know, and they're kind of drinking out of mugs, I'm sure they'll pick these, and like, you know, they can each have one to drink from. I mean, I'm for sure gonna be drinking out of them too, but like, how adorable is that? So there's that. But this mug right here, even like, you guys know I love stuff like this, but this mug has shocked me. Like, you just need to see this in person. It is the most beautiful, chic, like, if you just want something very nice and you want to create, like, you know, couple of mugs, they just look beautiful, they look rich, like, this is gonna be the one. But yeah, I don't know if I want the pink one as well. I thought that I would get like the pink one for Micah, but... So I'll also share with you guys some clips that I took while I was at Dollar General. I was very much feeling the lemon thing. That's why I got the lemon cookies. Like, it was a thing. I found a bunch of lemon mugs and tumblers at Dollar General that were just so cute. I actually wanted to put all of them in my cart, but I didn't. So I'm just gonna add like the clips here so you guys can at least see what they look like in case it's something that you want to be on the hunt for. But lots of lemon things at Dollar General that I really, really liked. Another thing that I really wish I would have picked up was this little black truck that was just absolutely darling. I think it was like $10 at Dollar General, and I thought it was so cute. I liked how the bed of the truck actually had, like, you could put something in it if you wanted to. So I thought that was really cute. And then this farm fresh egg sign for what, $3? That really shocked me. So there's a lot of really cute rustic farmhouse decor at Dollar General. The other thing that I found was just like this little nautical section, this really cute like wall bead thing. I thought it was really cute. I could definitely see it kind of like in a boy's room or like in a boy's bathroom. And the little fish was my favorite. And honestly, I would have bought it. But I'm kind of in this weird place, which you guys know, like I'm trying to basically move back to Texas. So I'm trying not to like buy decor if I don't have to, because then it's like just another thing I'd have to pack. Another thing that I would highly suggest if it's your thing, these little like wood items, they are $1. They're a freaking $1. They have beads around their neck. It's a rooster and a cow. They would look like perfection in a tier tray. So run to Dollar General to find those. Then I found this really cute mug. It says with a moo moo here, or with a moo here, with a moo moo here. I thought that mug was so cute. Also, I smelled this candle and I didn't actually smell anything, so there's that. But anyways, that is actually it for today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I will see you guys tomorrow for a Junk Journal YouTube live with me. I'll be on this channel. I'm thinking I'm probably going to start this live somewhere around 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. And I'll link my Etsy shop down below in case you want my mugs or you want my kits. And yeah, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.